And that's it. Then you just want to wait for your piece to dry. Here it is all dried. And you want to spray it with a glossy clear coat of some kind. And that's it. Here's where you can really see that effect of the oil. Those little circles are all from the mixture of that with the water-based paint. Super fun. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it.